Listen, Rose.
I can feel my body.
Winning that ticket, Rose, was the best thing that ever happened to me. It brought me to you. And I'm thankful for that, Rose. I'm thankful. You must do me this honor. You must promise me that you'll survive. That you won't give up. No matter what happens. No matter how hopeless. Promise me now, Rose. And never let go of that promise.
I promise. Come back! Come back!
Hello! Can anyone hear me?
There's nothing here, sir.
Come back! Come back!